What's going on, you guys? This is Air Force Scott shooting this video because I wanted to share with you some insight on not only just trading in the foreign exchange market, but some people don't realize that you can actually trade stocks on a certain broker inside of the foreign exchange. Now, most people, when they think of stocks, they think that you must buy the shares or buy the stock at a low, and as the value goes up, you will end up making profit because the value increases. But unfortunately, if you buy a stock and the value decreases, then you end up losing money. So we've been teaching people how to not only just buy the stock. If you believe in the stock, you can buy it for long-term holds and gains and dividends long term, but you can also trade the stock on the exchange to where even if the stock falls, you can sell the stock and you can still make money. In comparison, if someone bought a stock and the stock falls, they'll lose money. But on the exchange, you're looking at an MT4. My brokers right now is HUGOSWAY. With HUGOSWay is very diversified, where you can trade not only just foreign exchange pairs, you can also trade metal, gold, silver. You can trade indices, your economies. You can also trade cryptocurrencies, and you can trade stocks. What we're looking at right now is Netflix. As you can see right here, it says NFLX at the top. I saw utilizing the PET system. Now, this is our PET system, perfect entry trading system. It gave me an ultimate buy signal here. This is about maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. I got an ultimate entry signal here. So I went ahead and put in a buy order for Netflix, and Netflix is currently up 279 pips in a matter of 5, 10, 15, in a matter of 20 minutes or so. Netflix is up 275 pips. I'm going to go ahead and secure. That's about $40 right there. So I went ahead and secured about 100 of it, 150 pips, however it is. But you can trade Netflix on your broker. You don't necessarily have to buy the share of Netflix and hope that the value goes up. In this case, I actually bought Netflix, but if I saw that Netflix was going to go down and I wanted to make money when the value of Netflix decreases, the only way that you can do that is if you sell it on the exchange market. You cannot earn dividends if you're buying and holding a share and the share actually loses value. If it loses value and you're buying and holding, you will actually lose money. But we're teaching people how to maximize your foreign exchange brokers. That way you can sell the stock on your broker's account and end up making money. Now, unfortunately, in this case, I actually bought Netflix on the exchange. I could have also bought it on E-Trade or Ameritrade or Robinhood or even Cash App. I could have bought shares, and hopefully if it rose, in this case it did, I would have ended up making money. But when you're trading it on the exchange, you can make money whether it goes up or whether it goes down. So if you're looking for a way to allow your money to make money for you and diversify your portfolio, I know quite a few of you have heard of Forex. You've heard of stocks. Some of you have even gotten started. Shout out to you. This is an amazing journey. Learning a seven-figure skill set, a skill set that will change your life, not only your life, your family's lives for generations to come. But if you're not getting the success, if you're not plugged in with the right trading platform, academy, and the right community, get in contact with me. So not only can I help you diversify your portfolio, but we have a foolproof system that works. We also we have a 6 and 7 figure traders educational team. Not only do we have an amazing platform, but our trading team, our educational team is full of retired traders that is going to teach you. Not only will I teach you, but our educational team will teach you 5 days a week key strategies that have been working for us, that is foolproof, that has been tested, that has results that you deserve. So if you're looking for good results, if you're looking to plug into the right team at the right time with the right platform, get in contact with me or anybody that's inside of our private group. That way we can get you connected, get you caught up to speed, get you plugged into the educational team. That way we can finally get you the results that you deserve. If you've been trading Forex for months now or years now and you have not been consistent, this is the time to plug in with our our team. That way we can show you the key strategies that you can utilize. That's very simple to follow, but very effective, and they will work like a charm. I have not had a losing week utilizing these strategies. So if you are failing in your foreign exchange account, if you're failing in your trading journey, it is okay. A lot of the people that are trading just don't have the right direction. We're going to mentor you. We're going to give you the resources, the tools, and the trainings that you need, the strategies that you need, so you can get the results that you deserve. Hopefully, you make the wise decision. 2020 is almost over. We're going into the fourth quarter. We have elections coming up. It is going to be hectic in the markets. You do not want to miss this wealth transfer that is going on. Right now, we've gone through a pandemic, but it is also a reset in the economy. It is also a wealth transfer, and you don't want to be on the wrong side once the smoke clears. Hopefully, I hear from you. Hopefully, we can get you connected within the next few days. That way, we can get you caught up to speed. And by the end of the month or nearing the end of next month, you will start getting the results that you deserve. I see you guys in the next video.